Let's get my extras over here. Extras to your places. Ladies, you're late. Please get yourself into makeup and wardrobe right away. Makeup.
Universal Animal Actors opening. Take one. Lights. Camera. And action. From Universal Studios Hollywood, welcome to Universal's Animal Actors.
Hi, my name is Ariel Leonard. I'm an animal trainer here at Universal Studios Hollywood. This is Jasper. He's a guinea pig. He was in the movie G-Force. When I was a little girl, I went on a walk with my mom and my sister in a park near our house. We saw a mom and her ducklings swimming in the pond. We noticed one of the ducklings wasn't swimming so well. We were able to bring it to some local rehabbers. A few weeks later, they re-released the little duckling into the pond, and through it all, I realized that I wanted to work with animals for the rest of my life. I am lucky to work with a great team of animal trainers and staff here at the show, all who care for, love, and respect all of our animal stars. On behalf of everyone here at Universal's Animal Actors, we hope you have a great time and enjoy the show.
And now, please welcome one of Hollywood's top animal trainers, Miss Ariel Leonard.
Hello! Thank you very much. Welcome to the Animal Show. I'm Ariel, and that's Cooper. We both work for a company that's been training animals for movies and television for over 50 years. Something you may not know is that many of your favorite animal stars are rescues, just like Cooper. They got their start right here on this stage in front of a live audience. A little bit later in the show, we're going to reveal to you what our animals had to learn before they got their big break. But until then, can I have a kiss? I'm right here in front of you. Oh, you're going to give someone else a kiss? That's rude. Cooper! You're such a crowd pleaser. Hi, happy boy. Give me my kiss. Thank you. We'll see you later. Off you go. Don't worry, you'll wow them later. We're going to start the show with a friend of mine from We Bought a Zoo. This is Fluffy. Hi. fly from one person to another. To help demonstrate that, I need an adult volunteer. It does have to be an adult in the middle section, preferably not afraid of a bird. Oh, so many good choices. Let's try the young lady here. You have like a teal t-shirt on. Stand up, stay right where you are. Take out a dollar bill. Now the reason why I've asked her for a dollar bill is because Flappy doesn't know her. He might feel uncomfortable flying to somebody that he doesn't know. As seen in Evan Almighty, we train our birds to recognize and fly to a common object. It can be anything. Here at the show, we use a dollar. Fantastic. Fold the dollar in half. In half one more time. Perfect. Place it between these two fingers. Arm straight out to your side. Don't move. It doesn't matter. Either arm. Stay very still. He's going to see that and know exactly where to fly. Hold very still. He's going to pause for some photos. Bring me my dollar. Thank you so much. Enjoy the show. Anybody on this side of the audience that wants to work with Flappy? Got a $20 bill? Maybe? We're just messy. We're going to get back to you. Stand up. Let's make it easier for our bird. Put both arms out. Perfect. Now you flap really hard. Fly down here and get it. Good try. Just that one arm out again. Palm up flat. Stay still. He's going to return that right back where he found it. Wow. Excellent job, Brother Flappy. Thank you so much for volunteering. Excellent job. It's for you. You're finished. Check it out. Our stagehand.
Smart bud.
Not only do we get to work with cute little birds like Flappy, sometimes we challenge ourselves with something larger, like a bird of prey. As seen in the clip from Universal's film Lady Hawk, Matthew Broderick catches a hawk with both precision and grace in a spectacular feat of flight. We'd like to recreate some of that movie magic. If you'll focus your attention to the right corner of our arena, one of our trainers is going to be flying down a star from 310 to Yuma. Please remain seated. Watch your heads. You're welcome to take photo or videos. This is Arrow. An amazing flight from Arrow. Very impressive. How did I get it for you? Come here. We got a volunteer here with a dollar, ma'am. Do you want to take that out again? We'll send you Arrow. Wow, sit down. It's a joke. That's a brave lady. Thank you, Danica and Arrow. Arrow is a captive-bred African auger hawk. That's part of the raptor family, a group of birds that includes hawks, kites, falcons, eagles, vultures, and owls. We'd like to bring out two of Arrow's cousins in a rare, close-up appearance.
Wow.
Welcome out Iris and Olympus. Eurasian eagle owls. You recognize them from the Harry Potter movies. Fun fact about these owls, they only weigh 4 pounds. I know they look big and impressive. These birds are not endangered, but many native species are. We ask that you do your part for all animals, so beautiful creatures, just like these, will never become endangered. Let's give a big round of applause for Iris and Olympus. And thank you, trainers, for bringing them out. I'd like to take this moment and introduce another feathered friend here at Universal, Sweet Pea.
Angry Bird. I'm pretty sure that's Angry Bird.
Woo! Those are some nice moves. We have something even better. With the use of a giant fan, this green screen, and a little bit of movie magic, we can transport our animals anywhere we want. The first step, we need an animal. Welcome out our stunt bird Shredder, a green-winged macaw. Shredder's trainer is going to place him into a strong current of wind so that we can film him in flight. Nice flying from Shredder! Step 2, we added some movie magic. Pretty impressive, right? That was some fantastic flying. Nice job, Noelle and Shredder. practice here at the show is how do your animals land a role in a movie or television series. It starts with some basic training to demonstrate that. Welcome back the dog from the top of the show. He's in Benji Cooper. Hi, welcome back, Amanda. Before our dogs can make it onto a movie set, they have to know their behaviors with both hand and verbal cues. I'm going to show you what that looks like with Mr. Cooper here. One of the first things we teach our dogs is a mark. It's usually a small black circle in here somewhere. It looks like that. It tells the dogs where to stand in their scene, just like their human counterparts. You ready? Good boy. Big speak. Good. Go, Mark. Good. Excellent job, handsome. For you. Oh, thank you. They're impressed by that. And what are we going to do? Right there. Stay. Good. Are you ready, happy boy? Stand. Sit. What happened? You changed your mind? Coop. Sit. You have to watch me. Sit. Lie down. Good. Side. Lie down. Put your butt down. Side. Stay. Straighten up. Straighten up. This is not nap time. Straighten up. Stay. Good. Come here. Stay. Good boy. Back. Back. Hey. Cooper. What is happening? He's so distracted. Get back on that mark. Good. Speak. Stay. Okay, do it while you're staying on your mark. Take 2. Good boy. Don't move. What was that? You got an itch? Speak. Good. Stay. Sit. Here, we'll get that itch. Scratch. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Get that itch. Get it, scratch. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Keep scratching. Get in there. Get it good. Scratch. Scratch, 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 scratch. Good boy. Stay. Get back over there. Big finish. You ready? Ouchies. Try it again. Oh, we're so close. You gotta get up. Really big. Come on. There it is. Nicely done. Good job, handsome boy. You get extra snacks for that. Here you go. 1, 2, 3. Thank you for applauding. I appreciate that. We're going to show you something a little bit harder. It's called the workaway. Sometimes on movie sets, the dogs have to respond to us when they can't see us if we're hidden behind a prop. I'm going to bring out my assistant, Danica. She's going to set herself up over here, and we're going to make it look like Cooper is interacting with Danica, our pretend actress. Very good. You stay there. So he's going to be facing Danica, so I'm going to take one of his favorite treats. I'm going to place it in front of her. That way he knows where to focus his attention. Then I'm going to move behind him and ask him some behaviors with just my voice, which is why it's called the workaway. Good boy. Stay right there. You taking my treats? Really? You should know better. Yeah, you should be embarrassed. Stay in the chair. Good boy, hands up. Okay, you ready? Watch. Good. Sweet. Good. Lie down. Down. Coop, lie down. Crawl. On your feet. Stay. Sweet. Back up. Back. 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 Good. Sit. Sit up. On your feet. Get your tail. Get your tail. Get your tail. Get it. Get it. All right, you can have it. That is Cooper. And the workaway nicely done with the shower, handsome boy. Thank you for helping out, Danica. Not only do our animals have to take directions from us trainers, sometimes they have to take directions from an actor or an actress. So I need another volunteer. Perhaps a young child not afraid of animals wants to help me out. Oh, okay, right up front, it's your birthday. Just stay right there. You're going to help us out from the comfort of your seat. Tell us your name. Say that one more time. Aurora, did I say that right? Nice to meet you. So you're going to be helping us out from right there. We're going to do it via Zoom. Hello. Okay, we have our lovely volunteer, Aurora. She's ready to help us out. Are you guys ready over there? Yeah, hello, can you see us? Oh, we lost him. I guess that's not gonna work. Aurora, you're gonna help us out the old-fashioned way. Come on up, and we're gonna bring out your animal co-star in person. Careful on those stairs, all the way down this way to our stairs.
Actually going up.
Oh, I hear him, he's ready. Hi! Okay, tell us how old you're turning.
I'm turning 9.
9, what a wonderful age. Let's give her a big happy birthday. 1, 2, 3. I train people too. Okay, Aurora, come on over. You're gonna have a seat right here in our chair. You can get nice and comfortable, and then we'll bring out your co-star. Perfect. Our actress in place. Welcome out Billy from Bad Moms. Hi. Okay, in the backstage, we have a huge closet full of clothes. Anything that you can think of to wear. What I need you to do is stay in your seat, whisper 2 items to Billy, and he's gonna run back there and bring them out for you one at a time. Anything you want, hat, shirt, shoes, socks. Go ahead, stay right there. Okay, that was 2. Race on back there. This is not a trick, it's a trained behavior. Billy is searching through that big closet, bringing out exactly, that was fast. What was on Aurora's mind? Now, he brought you out a hat. Did you ask for a hat? Yes, we got the first one right! Excellent job! There's an extra snack for you. Race on back there. When he gets the first one right, he never misses the second one. You are going to be so impressed when he brings out exactly what was on. Billy, where did you get this from? I don't I am so sorry. That's Billy's girlfriend. Guess there's a little mix-up back there. You did a great job. Stand up for me. Wave to your fans. Big Hollywood wave. Excellent. Aurora, sit. Good job. Here's a treat. I'm just teasing. You did a great job. Do you want to help us out with one more scene? Excellent. Take a walk with me. Now, oftentimes on movie sets, directors want the dogs to do things they may have never seen or done before, like go on, over, around, or through something. It's our job as their trainers to help them overcome these obstacles. We're going to show you how it's done with some friendly competition. Welcome out 2 rescue dogs, Sadie and Dex. When our animals audition, we give them lots of encouragement, and we want everyone's help. Everybody on this half of the audience, you are going to be cheering on Sadie. Sadie is that fluffy, cute girl. She is a new rescue waiting for her big break. When I say action, I want you to put your hands together, give her a nice round of applause. We're going to practice. Lights, camera, action! Very nice job, Team Sadie. Everybody on this half of the audience, you are on Team Dex. Dex is that Labradoodle, and he was in a Blue Buffalo commercial. You know what to do. Lights, camera, action! Excellent job. Our teams are ready to go. Here's the audition. One by one, the dogs are going to jump over our birthday girl. Weave in and out of these poles. Shoot through this red tunnel. Jump back over Aurora and finish by ringing that bell. It looks like Sadie is getting ready to go first. Let's cheer her on. Lights, camera, action. Oh, very nice. In and out of the poles. Here we go. Oh, big jump. Ring the bell. And time. Excellent audition. You guys can go wait in your trailer. Nice cheering, Team Sadie. Dex is in place. Aurora, are you ready? Feeling good? She's ready. Lights, camera, action. A take 2. Okay, we're going to do a take 2 for Dex. Starting back over in the whoa! Gross! Oh, Aurora, I'm so sorry. Stand up, stand up. Let me see. Ooh, happy birthday! Stand up, let me see. It's just a little bit. You know, the sun's going to come out. That will dry in no time, okay? You did a fantastic job, though. You are not leaving empty-handed. You are a trainer for the day, so you get another button to wear proudly. Put that on. Tell everyone you did a great job. Big round of applause for our birthday girl. Thank you so much for putting us out. Oh, what is happening with Dex? Is he okay?
He got hurt when we won the audition.
You can't win an audition, and he's... Wow.
What are we gonna do?
It's the most alive dead dog I've ever seen.
Takes a second. He's dead now. Get help.
Oh yes, he's clearly dead now. Trainers, we got a situation on stage. Jasmine needs help, maybe mental help, I'm not sure. No? Not funny? Okay, wait, I got a good idea. We're gonna run a CAT scan. See, it's working already. CAT scan's gonna tell us, that's a real cat. Not quite what I had in mind. There's like, oh, there we go. Did anyone see? Are those guinea pigs? Oh, hi. You want to join your friends? She's like a burrito with legs. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna make sure all those guinea pigs got. No, I said guinea pigs, not give me the pig. This is not your scene, Penny. I'm really sorry. I need you to just head on stage. And that's a good try. Oh, and there's Dex. One moment. Someone grab the pig. Head out. I am so sorry. Everything is under control. We got all the animals back safely. Really, Noel? No, you should stop running. Okay. It's her first day. Noel, that's a stop. Okay, nobody panic. I got the stuffed animal. Heads up. Heads up.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cast of Universal's Animal Actors. As you make your way toward the exits, remember to use the stairs and please don't climb over the benches for your own safety. Universal Studios and the American Humane Association would like to remind you that the next time you're looking to adopt a pet, please check your local rescue or shelters first. You'll be glad you did.